Hello, welcome to the Science Fair of 2021. We are Group 2, and the title of our experiment is Sound is a Great Traveler by Hugo, Tomás, Marcos, and Budi. Our question is, through which materials does sound travel more easily?
Hypothesis. We think sound will travel more easily through air than through liquids and solids.
Materials. We need 5 sealable plastic bags, water, cotton, pieces of paper, pieces of wood, and a pencil.
Procedures. Take a plastic bag and fill it with water and sip it. Cover one of your ear and hold the water-filled bag against your other ear. Ask a friend to tap the bag with a pencil. Then ask him or her to speak. Now fill the plastic bag with water and sip it and repeat step 3. Now put the solids inside the other plastic bags and sip it and repeat step 3.
Data. We hear the sound more easily through solid than air and liquid.
Conclusion. Solids are better conductors than liquids and gases because of the density. That is the reason why you can hear the sound better. In the first picture, you can see 5 sealable bags. One with cotton, one with pieces of paper, one with pieces of wood, one with air, and one with water. In the second and the third pictures, you can see that we are checking our experiments with another classmates.
Thank you very much for watching.